let's do a review of the staff. Now, the past few videos where we reviewed the staff, I've showed it to you on the computer here on the screen. But the cool thing, because the staff has 5 lines on it, you actually can do it on your hand, just like this, okay? So on your hands here, you can either do it this way or this way. I'm doing it this way so you don't look at how terrible my nail polish has become. But you can do it either way, all right? When you do it this way, you can see that you have 5 lines, right? So every good boy does fine. Now, when we label it this way, remember, we start from the bottom, okay? So every good boy does fine on the lines, okay? So E, G, B, D, and F. In the spaces, remember, we have the word that rhymes with space. So that's going to be face, F, A, C, E, face in the space, okay? So every good boy does fine on the line, and then F, A, C, E, face in the space, okay? Now, I've seen some people too, they took Post-it notes and like label it that way. But I think we'll be at the point that we can start memorizing where those notes are, okay? So every good boy does fine on the lines, F, A, C, E, face in the space, okay? Let's try to find A on the staff. A on the staff, okay? So we know that face is in the space, okay? So F, A, C, E. So we know that A is going to be here in the second space on the staff here. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's do D. Let's find D on the staff. So it's going to be F, A, C, E. There's no D in face. So let's do every good boy does fine. Does, that starts with D. That's going to be on the 4th line. Okay. Let's do, I'm going to switch to the other hand. My arm's getting tired. That's what happens when you get old. Your stuff gets tired really quick. But it's the same thing on either side. Okay. Let's do G on the staff. So F, A, C, E. No, so let's do every good boy does fine. Good, G. There you go. So that's going to be G on the staff there. Okay. Let's try E on the staff. So let's do F, A, C, E. All right. So we have E right here on in the space, but there's also an E on the line. Every good boy does fine. So every, that starts with E, so it's going to be here. Remember, when we get to G in our musical alphabet, we start over at A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay? So we have it actually in 2 places on the staff here. Here in the top space, or down here on the bottom line, okay? Let's try F now. Let's try to find F on the staff. So F, F, A, C, E, face in the space. So here's F in this space here. This is another instant where we have this twice on our staff, okay? So every good boy does fine. F is going to be up here as well. So it's in 2 spots, here and down here, okay? Let's do one more, and let's do B. Let's do B. I think we got it by now. So every good boy does fine. Boy, going to start with the letter B. It's going to be right there, okay?